Namaskaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will be talking about how Surya Kriya is different from Surya Namaskar and whether if it's worth it to do Surya Kriya when you already know how to do Surya Namaskar, and has it given me any benefits? Let's get right into it. Shivani. Okay. So Surya Namaskar and Surya Kriya are different in the sense that Surya Namaskar is mostly just physical. Like it's also spiritual. It could be spiritual if you tune yourself correctly into it, but mostly it's physical. Like I have done Surya Namaskar multiple times, and I mean, if I compare the experience of Surya Namaskar and Surya Kriya, then I would say that Surya Kriya is definitely more spiritual and more meditative as compared to Surya Namaskar. Other than that, I think Surya Kriya also, I don't think it happens. Surya Kriya energizes your whole body. So for example, in the morning, I do Surya Kriya and then I do my Shambhavi. So my Shambhavi gets better. So when you do, experience of Shambhavi Kriya is also intensified and it gets better as compared to when I do it in the evening without Surya Kriya. It's slightly different. So I would say that it also makes the experience of Shambhavi better. Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. It energizes your body in the morning. So like definitely it helps me be more full power with my morning activities, and definitely Surya Kriya has to do something with it. Also, breathing plays an important role in Surya Kriya. So again, it regulates your breathing in such a way that it becomes musical, and there's perfect gaps in between. I'm not going to say a lot about it, but I will say that it is spiritual. It makes your Shambhavi practice better. It makes you more meditative, and it also keeps you fit. I'm not going to be like ooh toot toot. And yeah, I think it's a great experience. I did it in the ashram and it was a beautiful experience, and if you're thinking about it, you should go for it because it's definitely different than Surya Namaskar. It is spiritual and it will intensify your overall meditative experience. So you should go for it. Thanks a lot for watching. Namaskar.
Thank you for watching from story.